My name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create my swoon earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are wire cutters, round nose pliers, 2 chain nose pliers to open and close our jump rings and to create our wraps. These are beaded head pins. We will need 6 8mm jump rings per earring and ear wire. This is Czech glass. It's a pink mix. It comes already mixed. These are topaz glass luster rounds. We'll need 6 of these. And lastly, we will need our real pink flower and resin pendant. These earrings are created using wire wrap dangles and jump rings. So the first thing we need to do is to create our dangles. I already created some of the dangles to save time. So we're going to pick up our 6mm pink Czech glass bead, and we are going to create a wrapped loop. So we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. And then now we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Come over here, trim off that little end. We're going to flatten out our loop and tap the wire down so there are no sharp edges. You will need to create 6 of the opaque pink and 6 of the light pink wraps. Now let's make one more wrap with our topaz glass luster round, 8mm. We're just stringing that bead down. Coming back in, we're going to form a wrapped loop. We're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we're going to switch hands. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3, remove it, trim that little end. We're going to flatten out our loop, and we are going to press that little wire down so there are no sharp edges. We need to create 6 of the topaz glass luster rounds. So now we're going to start connecting all of our little dangles. So we're going to come over here and we are going to pick up our 8mm jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. So we're just going to open it and grab our pendant and attach it. And we're going to put 1 light pink and opaque pink, 1 light pink and opaque pink, and we are just going to close the loop. So now we're going to pick up our next jump ring and we're going to open it. We're going to come back over and we want to put it right in the center of the dangles. So there's 2 dangles on this side, 2 dangles on this side. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the topaz glass and close the jump ring. Our third 8mm jump ring, we're going to open it, 1 pink, 1 opaque, 1 pink, one opaque. We're going to pick it up, make sure a dangle is on each side. Can you see that, how the dangles are on each side of the pendant? And we're going to come back in and close the jump ring. Okay, number 4. We're opening our jump ring. We are attaching 2 dangles. And we need to make sure there are 2 on each side. And then we're going to come back in and close our jump ring. Jump ring number 5. We're going to open our jump ring, and we are doing a pink, a light pink, and opaque, a light pink, and our opaque. We're going to grab the earring, and we're going to attach, and the dangles are on each side, and close the jump ring. Our last jump ring, we're going to come back over and we're going to open it. And let's see, we need to move 2 to the side so we can attach it just like that. Attach our dangles, the topaz dangles, come back in and close the jump ring. Our last step is to attach our ear wire. So this is how you open and close an ear wire. So we're just going to open that ear wire, and we're going to pick up our earring. And I'm looking to make sure that there's a bead on each side and that I am attaching the ear wire correctly. I'm going to come back in, and we're just going to close the loop on the ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my swoon earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.